Hello, Murray County students. Taking the ACT is a valuable experience. Making a 21 on the ACT is like putting money in the bank.
My name is Carly Thomason and I'm a senior at Mount Pleasant High School. My ACT tip is to don't be afraid to mark in the textbook. Eliminate answers that you know are wrong, make yourself notes, and underline important parts as you read.
My name is Macy Smith. I'm a senior at Mount Pleasant High School. My ACT tip is that when the test begins, make sure you answer all the questions you know and you can go back later to answer the other ones.
I'm Sanaya Oden from Spring Hill High School. The ACT has helped me get into a nursing program at the University of Memphis.
The ACT is important to me because it allowed me to play football at Corey Stockton College in Missouri, and it opened many doors and opportunities for me.
I'm Danielle Thomas from Central, and my ACT study tip is to try your hardest in class and to study before your test.
My ACT test tip is to sleep well, eat good breakfast, and have some caffeine.
Hi, I'm Logan Wilkins. I'm a senior at Santa Fe High School. I haven't done so hot, but I want to shoot for all my younger classmen to strive to do better. What kind of gets you to that point is learning how to do that the right way, and how I wish I would have done it is not just take practice ACTs all day, every day.
Hi, I'm Jordan Litton, and I'm a senior at Santa Fe High School, and I want to talk about the ACT and how much money having a higher ACT score can get you. The Hope Scholarship, you have to have a 21, and you'll get more money for college through that, but there's a lot of scholarships that go up as your ACT score goes up as well.
#MCPS 21.